Hey guys, thank you for joining me for this random video. I want to share with you a bit of unboxing with my Cricut Maker that I got. It's a refurbished one, but I actually have two others. I have the Explore one, I have the Air 2, and that was only because of the price. I guess, I couldn't afford the Maker or what have you at the time. So I got the others, but I am upgrading to the Maker. So I am excited about that. So it came in this big old box first. And then, of course, it came in this box. I just took out everything because I wanted to just make this video short. So in the box came two mats. This is a light grip mat and, of course, a fabric mat. And it has that on there. It came in with this box. This box in here, it has, this is about the Cricut Maker and, projects and things like that. It also came with this rotary blade. Okay. It came with a black Cricut fine point pen. And I think this is, I guess, maybe to put the blade in once it's out of that. It also came with the cord and, of course, the Cricut cord to attach it to the computer for setting it up. And, okay, so I'll open this box so that you can see. So in this box, it says, open me first. And basically, this is just like unleashing the beauty, and behind it, just gives you instructions. Also, the number 2 says get connected. And of course, it tells you to go to Cricut.com to set up. Then make a little something. Number 3 is during setup, you will make a practice project with material in the box. And the 4th is bookmark this page, which is referring to Cricut.com/create. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy. So this was the open me first. And in here is a little welcome paper here that says you got this, and for where you can get tutorials and instructions and things like that. Then, like I mentioned, this book is really about the Maker, accessories, the blades, the tools, things of that nature, some projects about design space, all of that. And then in here, it gives you a couple pieces of material. This one just has, it just has a white piece of material and a blue. That's really all that is in here for the first project. I will set that aside. And of course, here has the warranty, which I will definitely be signing up for. And let me see. Did I miss anything? Okay, so I did plug it in just to see how it works. So it is open pretty well. It came with those, this under the 2 areas. I forgot what they call it. The 2 areas here, if you can see it. And once you take that out, of course, it runs through. Now, it was indicated that there may be minor scuff marks and things like that, but I found nothing. It looks practically like it came direct from the factory. There is no sign of wear and tear or ever being used or anything like that. And here is a little area here to put your tablet. Well, I do have an iPad, so I will definitely be utilizing that. And for the most part, I don't see anything wrong with it or have any issues. It's nice, it's shiny, it looks new. It really is an awesome looking machine, to be honest. So, it's really pretty. I like it. I think that's the one they call the champagne. But, yeah, so that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and set up my machine, do my first project, and of course, I will do a follow-up later on as far as how everything went. Okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys another time. Bye.